Hi, I'm Stephanie and I've got 3 children, and to try and find bike racks or ways of carrying bikes on the car for 5 people is quite tricky, so I thought I'd show you our solution and how we've gone around it. We've actually purchased a bike rack that can go on the tow bar with 4 bikes and one of the Thule ProRide bike racks that sit on top of the roof for the one. My son is 16, so it might be a come time where he's not coming out with us, so we thought the 4-1 across the back would be perfect for us for long term. So we got the 4 bike tow bar mounted bike rack which holds 4 bikes across the back. We spent a long time looking at bike racks, but we also purchased it back in 2020 in the summer, so it was a nightmare trying to find anything that was in stock. So this is the Halfords Advanced 4 bike rack, which is priced around £350 at the moment, but it's a really well made solid bike rack, which we'd looked at big brown ones that were a lot more, but this has come up trumps. It comes with a number plate holder, which is you need to then purchase your own an extra number plate to be able to slide into this, but it's really easy to install and very easy to get hold of. You can get them done at Halfords, so you can screw it in here. We also had a tow bar installed on the back of our Ford Galaxy, so that's quite expensive, but we thought it was worthwhile doing. So to attach it to the actual tow bar, you need to unscrew this locker and then that silver part lands over the tow bar, and then you can screw it back on and it grabs it tight. And it's quite nerve-wracking because it's quite a big piece of kit going on the back of your car, but trust it's really solid once it's on. So you tighten up here, make sure everything is super tight, super locked on, give it a good old wiggle and things around like that. There's some handy little signage on there to help you. Then what we really liked was this feature that once it's on, you can unclip it here and it will tilt backwards. However, we tried it with the bikes on, which we thought it might be handy if we need to get the dog out. And look, you've got to watch my husband's face because we tilted it back and it just scraped on the floor and it's really heavy. So I don't know if we've done something wrong or what, but yeah, I don't recommend it. It's brilliant for when it's empty and you need to get in the boot. So it just clips back on like that, nice and handy and secure. So when it comes to installing the number plate, pop it on back on here with these little clips like that, and you actually have all the wiring that you need to take along and connect under the car to the tow bar, which gives you the electrics to the actual bike rack and allows your brake lights and reverse lights and things like that to be able to show up. This is it all connected up. There's your indicator, which will beep and you will hear that inside. And there's your reverse, which is a solid light. And it's you can hear it's an audible sound inside. It's actually made to do this on purpose, so and don't forget you've got a tow bar on the back of your car. So you open it out like this, ready to install the bikes, and once you get a hang of it and get your head around what needs to be done, it's actually quite a quick process. You need to slide these bars out here and it also gives it all a bit of stability and strength, and then it's time to attach the bikes on. Oh, and I wanted to quickly show you this is how you can store it like this. It all folds up, which was important for us, and it folds up and you can install that number plate on it like that as well. So the bikes go on these little plastic clips here, and you strap it all in. You clip it in first at the wheels, and then you strap it all to each and every bar. So here it is, just like a little ratchet one, which makes it really easy and simple to do. Ratchet it down, make sure it's really tight, and then it's just a case of basically doing each one and getting all of them on, and then looping all this lock wire around so that it's nice and secure, and then you actually lock this cable to the actual bike rack, and this keeps it locked onto the actual bike rack like here. So this is a quick rundown, a quick video of installing it and what we think. If you want to find out more about my thoughts and much more detail than this video gives you, then head over to my blog post below. Otherwise, click on the link and you go and have a look at it on Halfords. So yeah, we're over the moon, which means we can all get out as a family of 5 now on our bikes, and we look like that, which is we got some looks driving down the road. but we're all out. So thank you very much for watching.